Imagine a world where every customer feels valued, connected, and keeps coming back for more. Welcome to Retenzy, your secret weapon for creating unforgettable shopping experiences. We're not just another app. Retenzy is your partner in transforming casual visitors into loyal brand advocates. Let's start where trust begins: reviews. Retenzy turns customer feedback into a powerful growth engine. It auto-collects verified reviews after every purchase. No manual work, and reward reviewers with loyalty points, building trust and repeat engagement. Then, turn feedback into strategy. Spot top products, identify power reviewers, and fuel targeted campaigns using real-time review data. That's the Retenzy Reviews flywheel. Every review you collect, every reward you offer, it all feeds into trust, loyalty, and repeat sales. Next, loyalty and rewards module. Retenzy rewards more than just purchases. Reviews, referrals, birthdays, even social follows count. Points can be redeemed instantly, making every visit rewarding. Bring back quiet customers with loyalty point emails. Reward them as they hit milestones, run VIP campaigns, and launch targeted offers, all automatically. It's not just about automated emails. Remind customers about unused points, share deals, and celebrate key moments. It's a continuous cycle of growth. Engage, reward, return, repeat. And it runs on autopilot. It's not just about selling, it's about building relationships that last. And with Retenzy, you've got the tools to make it happen. Your customers are at the heart of your business. With Retenzy, you'll give them every reason to stay loyal and spread the word. Ready to make your Shopify store unforgettable? Download Retenzy today.